Good morning, primary school. It's Friday, September 28th, and it's also a Youth Vegetarian Day. I'm Vidisha.
And I'm Anne, and here are your morning announcements. Anne Bryant, our visiting author, is still in school today. Give her a warm ISHCMC welcome when you see her around.
Today will be the last day of the book fair. Check out those great selections.
Craig Leeson will be our visiting guest presenter today. There will be an assembly at 1:30 p.m. He is the director of a film, Plastic Ocean, a documentary about plastic waste in our oceans. Workshops will be offered at the end of the day for Studio 4 and 5.
There will be a fire drill taking place on today. Please use sensible behavior when exiting the buildings.
There is a reminder that the art area is not open for staff and students yet, as we have a number of outstanding items that need to be sorted.
Cross-country tryouts will be continued on Tuesday morning at 7 a.m. on the field.
Makerspace during morning recess today is for grades 1, 2, and 3 students.
Joke of the day. What do you get when you cross a dog with a daisy?
What?
A cauliflower.
Random fact of the day. A spacesuit weighs 280 pounds without an astronaut in it.
The mindfulness quote of the day is, if you don't like something, change it. If you can't change it, change the way you think about it. Mary Element.
That's it for today's morning announcements. Have a fantastic Friday.
That's it.